Hello students, hope you all are fine by the grace of God. Students, as we all know, we live in our houses. Do we build our house in the forest or in the city? Of course, in the city. Why? Because we cannot live alone. We want relatives and friends. Who are our friends? People who live near our homes can be our friends. So, the people who live near our house are our neighbors. The place who gives services to us such as schools, hospitals, shops, etc. are our neighborhoods. Which lesson we are going to learn today? Lesson number 4, Services in the Neighborhood. Which lesson, students? Lesson number 4, Services in the Neighborhood. Important points: market, hospital, police station, fire station, post office, bank. There are many houses near our house. Many families live in those houses. All the houses in our area from our neighborhood, people in our neighborhood are our neighbors. The neighbors makes our life safe and comfortable. They help each other on different occasions. We keep our neighborhood neat and clean. We are friendly with our neighbors. Every neighborhood has some useful services. We should know about those services. Students, as I previously told you that the people who live near our house are our neighbors. Neighbors help us when we are in need. We all are friendly with them. The houses and the peoples in our area from our neighborhood, the services provided by our neighborhood are our first one is market. See here, every neighborhood has a market. Some markets are small and some markets are big. We buy some things at the market. We buy food grains, clothes, medicines, fruits, vegetables, books, toys, etc. There are many shops at a market. Some neighborhoods have malls where we can buy a number of things under one roof. What is a market, students? Market is a place where we buy things like vegetables, fruits, medicines, clothes, books, etc. We see many shops at a market. Do you know malls? Malls means where we buy different things under one roof, like Spencer's, students. Spencer's, Big Bazaar, etc. The things you have visit there. Next is post office, students. We buy stamps, postcards, envelopes at the post office. After writing a letter and the addresses, we drop it in a letter box. The postman collects the letters and take it to the post office. There, they sort the letters and send to different places by vans, buses, trains, and aeroplanes. The postman in that place delivers the letters to different people. We can also send parcels and money through the post office. What do we buy from the post office, students? We buy stamps, postcards, envelopes at the post office. After writing the letters. And who collects the letters? Postman. Who delivers the letters? Postman. Postman delivers the letters. Students, see in the picture, postcard, post box, envelopes. Next, come to hospital. When we are not well, we go to hospital. The doctor check up and give us medicines. Some hospitals have an ambulance to bring patients to the hospitals. When do we go to hospital, students? We go to hospital when we are sick. Who treat us when we are sick? Sick. Doctor treat us when we are sick. Next, bank. We keep our money in a bank. We also keep our jewelry in the locker of a bank. We can take them out whenever we like. Nowadays, there are ATM in every neighborhood. We can take our money out from an ATM at any time. Police station. Next, every police station has some policemen. They help in maintaining law and order. In the neighborhood, they arrest thieves and criminals and put them in jail. They also control the crowd during fires, festivals, processions. You can dial 100 on the telephone. You can dial 100 on the telephone for immediate police help. The traffic policeman guides vehicles on the roads. We should follow traffic rules to avoid accident. You can dial 100 on the telephone for immediate police help, students. The traffic policeman guides vehicles on the roads. You should follow traffic rules to avoid accidents. Fire station. The fire station is also an important service in our neighborhood. A fire station has some firefighters or firemen and fire brigades. When a fire brigade breaks out, we should dial 101 and inform the fire station. The firemen come in their special vehicle. They serve the people in danger. They save the people. They save the people in danger and put out the fire. The firemen use ladders and water hose to save people. The firemen do a risky job, don't they? Yes, the fireman job is very risky job. Fireman put out the fire. The job is very risky, students. The firemen save people. See, they save people in danger and put out the fire. The firemen use ladders and water houses to save people. The firemen do a risky job, don't they? Yes, students. Read the lesson and learn by heart the hard words, students.